Hello KonnectzIT family, welcome to KonnectzIT training videos. In this video I'll be showing you the part 2 of emSigner. So basically what will happen once you initiate the signing, so what will be the next process. So I'm going to show you what you can do with the workflow automation. So let's straight away jump out to create our workflow and start naming our workflow as emSigner demo 2, and let me search for emSigner app. So just drag and drop the app, and based on the instructions given here, so go ahead and paste the webhook URL, select the trigger as configure webhook, copy the webhook URL, go to your emSigner account and click on settings and click on webhook. So you have to configure your webhook, just place the webhook and make sure you just choose the event correctly, that is completion. So the webhook will going to trigger only when the signing has been completed. So now let me go back to KonnectzIT and click on capture webhook response to capture the response from the exact response. So basically, so I'll be doing as per my previous workflow. I just kept my previous workflow live. So I'm going to send the trigger again. So initiate the trigger from WhatsApp. So when I did that, I will be getting the link in my Slack based on my previous workflow. So let me do that. So just said please send document for signing. So once I did that, based on my previous workflow, I'll be receiving a link. You can see that on my Slack. So just click on and then initiate send this for signing. So add the signatory before sending for signing. So just add it and send it for signing, and yes, the document has been sent for signing. So go to KonnectzIT, click the capture webhook response. So now the email has been come here, so which will be ready for signing. So I'll just preview the document and just click on and sign and finish. So once I did that, once it is being completed, so automatically we will receive the webhook. You can see we receive the document name and the workflow status as completed, and we also receive who is the current signatory. So now what we can do is, so we can just go ahead and click on send a Slack message. So before that, use text formatter, KonnectzIT text formatter basically, and then just say merge text and see the document as successfully signed by I'll just add that name as current signatory and click on validate. So now I will send the same thing to Slack. So Slack, just go here and just click on select our account and select send channel message, and then just enter the message and copy the Slack thing, that is emSigner demo, just paste it and hit on test and review. So basically this will send a Slack message. So click on publish like this. So you can see the document as KonnectzIT demo as successfully signed by the email ID. So let us show the entire process now using WhatsApp. So I'm going to send like this: initiate for signing, please send the document for signing. I will send the message again. So once I send it, so based on this connect, that is our first connect, emSigner demo. So based on this, it will send me an link in my Slack. So generate the document using emSigner. So let us go to Slack. You can see we got a link. So once I click on that link, so that is my internal team is receiving a message. So what they will do, they will add the signatory, select the respective signatory, and then send the document for signing. So once they did this, So the user will receive, so this is the first flow will be completed. Now the user will receive the document. So basically the user has received the document and he will just preview and sign this document. So just sign and finish. So once he sign and finish this particular document, so based on our second workflow, that is this one, so we will going to receive an internal message inside my team on the Slack, so saying this, that is the document as demo, that is the document name as successfully signed by the person. So this is how you can automate your workflow using KonnectzIT and emSigner. So there is a lot of infinite possibilities. So basically using emSigner and KonnectzIT. So this is one of the process where I use WhatsApp, Slack and emSigner and show you guys a demo on how you can actually leverage this integration using KonnectzIT. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a great day.